Where to now? Right leads to... Left leads to... the boulder... This adventure box can take... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Forward leads to... Left leads to... the... Which way do you want to go? Right, the tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Super! Thanks for helping out. You've opened all the toys in this box, but they're... Where to now? Forward leads to... We're almost at the town square. Forward leads to... Left leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Left leads to... the water slide. Left leads to... the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to... Well done! Amazing! Was off the rails! There's nothing left to unwrap, but these new... You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Let's get this back on track. That was a blast! Full steam ahead! You've opened all the toys in this box, but there's... I love that! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the lava quarry. To Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. That's perfect. Excellent. That was a blast. Full steam ahead. There's nothing left to unwrap, but these new packs are full of new toys to open. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Where to now? Forward leads. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Well done! Super! We all love your train set.